Hey guys, this is Charles with C-Van Lawn Care. If you haven't already checked it out, go to my YouTube channel and check it out. You got lots of videos, trial, error, how to, just everyday life in lawn care. So go check me out, guys. Make sure when you go, you hit that bell, click on all notifications. That way you know every time I upload a new video. I'm coming to you tonight to show you how to assemble a water pressure valve so you can blow out, winterize not only your plumbing in your home, but it also works for winterizing and de-winterizing sprinkler systems. I've got all the parts laid out here. I'm going to put it together. I'm going to show you the parts so you know what you need, and we're going to put this together. All right, guys, here's your first part. It's going to be a 3/4 to 1/2 inch swivel. All right, your second part is going to be a 1/2 inch to a 1/4 inch hex bushing. Here's your part. All right, the next part we're going to have is going to be this 4-inch fitting here, and of course it's 1/4 inch. Then you're going to have a 1/4 inch T-fitting. All right, your next piece you're going to have is going to be the 1/4 inch hex nipple. Then you're going to have a 1/4 inch brass ball valve. Then you're going to have your basic 1/4 inch hose connector. This is going to be your pressure gauge that's going to go on the T. All right, guys, the tools you're going to need to put this together, you're going to need you some plumber's tape and a couple of crescent wrenches. It's really simple to do this. All right, we're going to start at this end.
Because he's left-handed?
Yeah, because I'm left-handed, so I'm starting backwards. You don't need to put a massive amount on here. Just get you some on there. Tighten it up till she quits. All right, that's your first part. And we're just going to repeat the step with every fitting with our tape. Now guys, this tape don't have to be on there perfect. It's going to serve the purpose. This one here, some people may want to use a little pipe wrench or whatever, but it doesn't really matter, just as long as you can get it on there tight. All right, now we go to our T. Little tip to remember, as you're doing this, make sure you run your tape onto your threads so when you tighten it down, it don't back it off. If you didn't get that little 4-inch pipe, this next step will tighten it up for you. our little nipple. Use our little shut-off valve. Little trick, kind of offset that valve so it doesn't block your gauge when you put it on. Alright, then we're going to go to our little air hose. This one here you don't need to put plumber's tape on because it's already got a seal on it. Turn your valve sideways, get it out of your way. For our final step. We got a couple of different sizes here and a plug. I recommend you use the biggest one. Use that to get you a good grip. Take your plug. And this one, it looks like you actually need an Allen wrench. But I don't have an Allen wrench with me, so you'll put that in there. There's your valve. Now the way you'll hook this up, if you're pressurizing, winterizing water lines on a house, our friend Danny Lanier was gracious enough to bust his outside spigot in his house, so we actually have one here to use. You'll go to your washing machine hookups and you'll just put this right on your washer, on your cold side of your washer hose. You'll hook that up. Keep it so you can read your gauge. Keep it so you can read your gauge on it. You'll open your valve. You'll hook your air hose up. You'll start running your air through your water pipes. You'll go through your house. You'll open up all your sinks, turn everything on, and you'll just start seeing water blow out of it. Once you get all the water blowed out, you'll turn everything off, and then you'll pump this up to 40 psi. You'll shut it off. Disconnect your hose and watch this to see if it holds. If it holds 40 psi for 15 minutes, your water lines are good. If it doesn't, then you'll need to start checking your shut-off valves for your toilets and your sinks and the such to try to find your leak. Now, if you're using this to do your sprinkler systems, now it'll take a little bit longer than bringing in one of the great big air compressors, but a 15-pound air compressor will be plenty. You'll go below your blowback valves and everything, and you'll go to where you got your pressure relief valve. You'll take that out, and then you'll just screw this right on there. And it does the same thing. The only difference is there's a few more steps in opening up your other valves inside the house and so on to let your water out. Quick tip, make sure your water is shut off before you do this. Shut the water off. Once you do this, don't turn the water back on until you're ready to de-winterize. Thanks for watching my video, guys. I'm Charles with C-Van Lawn Care. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share.